CHRO at Hillson, taking care of HR, admin, and safety function. So, Hillson being a manufacturing setup, its operations are complex in nature. However, it was a smooth journey for us to move from previous HRMS to greytHR. It provided us full suite HRMS solution, which we were looking for, starting from employee onboarding till exit. So covering employee life cycle.
The best thing is it is very user friendly. See, we are a footwear manufacturing company and we have a workforce of around 1,000 people. So mostly people working on the shop floor managing the work, they are not very technologically very adaptable. So the biggest challenge was we have to make sure whatever HRMS we adopt, it has to be user friendly. So in greytHR we could definitely find that USP.
HRMS which we were using earlier, somehow that required a lot of manual interventions, and obviously when there are manual interventions you do not trust on the system. So with greytHR, technical team took that extra pain to understand our operations requirement in terms of understanding how our OT structure is, because everything had to be automated. So we could achieve that with greytHR.
So we can calculate the turnover ratio of the employees, how much time everybody is staying or leaving the organization. So we are in a situation to take timely decisions about our team deployment.
Earlier, my team was struggling with the payroll for good 15 to 20 days. And now it has come down to one single day. So that, I think, is a big work-life balance achievement which greytHR has helped us.
So we are definitely saving at least 3 man days of 4 valuable human resource working on it, and the payroll is processed on time. There are minimum grievances. So this is the best thing that we could have through greytHR.
I'm taking care of onboarding, and the greytHR, there is an option that we can share the link with the candidate and they can onboard themselves. So it's a great option in the greytHR.
So on ESS portal there is a leave module which is very beneficial for being an employee point of view and being an admin point of view, because there are the lots of things which I can get an employee details like their like punch in time, punch out time on a regular basis.
Employees have the feature that they can put the regularization and get the attendance corrected.
Feedback which I heard from my team is it is easier than the softwares we have used earlier.
We would like that more and more footwear manufacturers or allied industries, they definitely adopt greytHR.
greytHR team, you have done a marvelous job here at Hillson.